How to share location on Google Maps in Android and iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your location using Google Maps on both Android and iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Location Sharing from the menu. Tap on Share Location, and choose how long you want to share it. Now, select the app you want to use, like WhatsApp, Messages, or email. I am selecting the WhatsApp app. Now, search for the friend to whom you want to share the location. And tap here on this icon to share the location. That's how you can easily share your location using Google Maps. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.